How dark these clouds are. Yeah, we left that town where everything skips. I left that town today. Yep, that town that I'm always in, everything skipped. I'm about an hour north of it. Yeah, it's worthless how everything skips that dang town. I'm saying it's worthless how it skips it down there. And the way everything skips that town, I hate it passionately. I hate it before God had skips that town down there that everybody has heard me complain about so dang many times. I wish that town I never had to go back to it. Cause that town where everything skips, it ain't my home. And when they steer it around that town down there that I hate so bad, it all goes north and it goes south. And today, I have to say, so did I. So did I. I went north and I'm about an hour north of that town. Yeah, those clouds there going around and around there. Try to hold it still and you can see it. And definitely a swirl there. Today's date is June 3rd, 2023. Yeah, that thing is that swirl right there. Yep, look at that cloud.
Over there, there's hundreds of clouds.
Wow, that went blurry. Get it? Yeah, those clouds coming in from there. You can see that's pretty dark there. Try to hold that still. Yeah, that was lightning there. Yeah, look at that cloud, how weird that looks. See how that's rotating there? Yeah, there's definitely a rotation right there over my head. We're not in that town that I hate down there. We're not in that town I hate. I'm gonna start packing my things up to move probably this week. Those clouds are getting a color to them too. Yeah, I'm in the state of Kansas filming this, Independence, Kansas. I'm not even in Oklahoma. Yep, I'm not even in Oklahoma filming this. Where that clear sky is down there is toward where my town is, toward that clear sky there. And look how fast them clouds are coming in there. I'm gonna try to zoom in here, if it'll focus. Look how fast that's moving. Little blurry. Look how fast that's moving. Yeah, the weed whacking is fixing to, I think, get kind of shut down. I think it's fixing to start storming. I was gonna say, if you're in the Independence, Kansas area looking for a great Bible study, there you have it right there. I have enjoyed it. Look how fast these clouds are moving. Yep, my town that I live in is that clear area down there. That sky's getting green there, kinda. Look how green that is. Wish this camera would pick that green color up better. Might get it better right there. I mean, that's turquoise green up there, blue color. See that color a little bit. I think he hung it up. Yep, that's turquoise up in there. Yeah, you can see that color good there now. That's turquoise blue. Yeah, that color was something. Yeah, I don't understand why they're still doing so much yard work. I mean, it is fixing to pour down. That's a blue color up there. And you can really see it coming down right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's coming down. See it right there coming down. Yep, you can see it really raining there. Fixing to rain super hard. No wind or anything really with it, but I think you'll have real heavy rain. Getting ready to really come down. Never be in that town I hate down there so much. I pray to never be in that town that I hate. Yeah, we're getting in a microburst there now, starting to. I hate that town I live in to the south of here. I hate it. Yeah, this is a microburst here. We're getting into it. Yeah, this is a microburst here. Yeah, 50, 60 mile an hour wind maybe. Yeah, I mean, it's getting to be pretty heavy. I hear tornado sirens. It's raining so hard you can't even hear it in the video. We got tornado sirens. That must mean we're under a tornado warning. we're definitely under something. We're under a tornado warning. I don't care if it blows me away. I'm ready to go to heaven anyway. I'm tired of this world. I hate this world. Yeah, it's kind of blowing on over now, but there's like 50, 60 mile an hour winds with that. Yeah, I think the worst of it blew over. Yeah, they shut the sirens off in. Raining so hard you wouldn't hear nothing. Yeah, I'm saying I did in the earlier part of this video, the rotation in the clouds, I got it in the video. June 3rd, 2023. This is Independence, Kansas. We had a severe thunderstorm and microburst. And obviously a tornado warning, I guess, because the sirens, oh, you couldn't hear them. And it let off. Much love, everybody. That was my Sabbath Bible Study. That Sabbath Bible Study had ended.